Today, we're gonna be doing something that I've never done before, but it was requested. So we're gonna take bratwurst, wrap them in bacon, throw them on the griddle, sear them off really good, batter them in a beer batter, and deep fry them. Stick around. All right, we're gonna take this is just a regular standard beer brat. We're gonna lay out a slice of bacon. Figure out which way I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna wrap it around and then just kind of turn it as we go to get the bacon wrapped around it. I'm gonna do a couple of these like this for you on camera. There you have it. We have 2 of them ready to go. We're gonna knock the rest of these out off camera and we'll see you at the griddle. We got all of our bratwurst wrapped in bacon. Now to get them cooking, and then we're gonna batter them and deep fry them here in just a little bit. As I was saying earlier, these were requested, and if you got a request or something that intrigues you that you'd like to see us do in the future, drop it in a comment below. Now take a look at these bad boys. Forget that stuff out of the box. We're gonna make our own beer batter from scratch. To our 2 cups of all-purpose flour, we're gonna add 4 teaspoons of seasoned salt and 2 tablespoons of paprika. Then we have 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt going in. And to that, we're gonna add 2 large eggs that have been slightly beaten. And now for 2.5 cups of beer. No, I can't have it today. It's going in the batter. Once we have those all combined, we're gonna whisk it until we get our beer batter. It's thickening up now. Get everything fully combined. Make sure you use the least amount of lumps as you possibly can have. Now to get these bad boys battered and into that grease bath. Let the excess drip off. Going straight into the hot oil. Now look at these brats. They've been bacon wrapped, griddled off, and then beer battered and deep fried. This is some different stuff, but they look so good.